Click on the three dots at the bottom right of the image and select Customize. Enter clear and precise instructions for the modification. Click on Generate New Image. Choose whether to overwrite the current image or create a new one. See a comparison between the original image and the newly generated one. You can view the final result in full screen or compare it with the original image. Choose to display, in the comparison, the reference image used to generate the customized proposal. Finally, the generated image can be customized further, enhanced, renamed, downloaded, or deleted.